But you don't judge. That right there is the scariest feeling.
Hi everyone, my friends and I are going to have a depression workshop, so having depression is not a thing to be ashamed of, so let's face it together.
The date for the depression workshop will be on 9th of May, which is on Saturday, and the time is from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. The app for the online forum will be Google Meet.
The online forum of the topic is about depression. So for the content, we are going to present about the definition, types, symptoms of depression.
Advantages for participating in our workshop, which is a depression workshop. So the first one is that you will get new and also beneficial information from our speaker. Second of all, each and every one of you of the participant will receive e-certificate. The seat is limited, guys, so what are you waiting for? So come and join us.
So let us talk about your depression. Do join us now.